When we bought our first rental property, we already accepted one thing, na pwede ako mawalan ng pera. And weirdly, that's the reason why we were able to start. Most people think na kailangan mo na ready ka muna. Kailangan confident, kailangan perfect deal. Pero yung totoo, hindi mo kailangan maging perfect. Walang ready. You don't wait to feel ready. You become ready by doing. Gusto mo na magsimula pero kulang sa ipon. Takot magkamali. Overthinking. You keep learning, watching, and planning. Pero walang action. And the real question is, what if mag-fail? What if mawala yung pera ko? Valid yan, pero ito yung kulang sa usapan. When we bought our first rental property, hindi kami confident, hindi kami sure. Hindi namin alam kung tama ba ang aming desisyon. But I asked myself this question, what's the worst thing that can happen? Worst case, may reserve funds naman, hindi kami agad malulubog. And more importantly, we bought a tangible asset. Real estate yan, hindi mawawala. Hindi yan mananakaw. So even if things don't go perfect, we still own something real. And that gave me peace of mind. Plus, the money we used, we already decided that it was allocated for investing. Planado na, hindi emergency fund, hindi panggastos. It was money we were willing to lose to start para all in na. Wala nang delay, wala nang next year lang. And that's when everything changed. Nawala yung hesitation. Because once you accept the risk, you stop procrastinating. You start moving. And honestly, that was the real goal. Not perfection, but to get the ball rolling. First property namin, I think nasa Class C area. Hindi siya magandang location dahil older neighborhood. Halos walang appreciation. Pero may cash flow buwan-buwan. And that's what kept me going. Because for me, bonus yung appreciation. Cash flow is survival. Cash flow lets you hold until you reach your appreciation. Appreciation builds net worth. Cash flow keeps you in the game. So if gusto mo na talagang magsimula, let's break it down step by step. Simple, practical, at walang delay. Step 1, stop waiting for perfect. Your first deal is not your best deal. It's your entry. And shift your mindset like this. Ask yourself, what's the worst thing that can happen? If may reserve fund ka at pinag-isipan mo naman, then the biggest risk is not starting. Because delay is what kills momentum. Our mindset back then is just start. Get the ball rolling. Stop procrastinating. Step 2, know your numbers. Simple lang. Income minus expenses is your cash flow. Hindi ka bibili dahil maganda. Bibili ka dahil kumikita. Check mo yung rent, mortgage, taxes, insurance, maintenance, even small cash flow, panalo yan. Step 3, use what you have. Hindi mo kailangan malaking pera agad. Start with savings, equity, partnerships. Don't say wala akong pera. Ask paano ko gagawin. 4, location versus cash flow. Learn from my experience. First property namin, cash flow is maganda. Appreciation, mahina. So now I balance both. It has to cash flow and it has to be in a good location. Step 5, take action. Ito yung pinaka-importante. You don't need 10 properties. You need one. You need your first deal. That first deal will teach you everything. So ask yourself 1 year from now, are you still watching or already owning? Because the difference is action. Hindi mo kailangan maging perfect. Hindi mo kailangan maging expert. You just need to decide na magsisimula ka na. Kahit hindi perfect, basta gumagalaw ka. If this video helped you, follow for more. Comment all in if ready ka nang mag-start. Let's build it one property at a time.